Hello, dears. We are studying physics, and today's topic is error analysis. This numerical is from error analysis. So, question given: mass 1 cube is there, whose mass is m equals to 4 plus minus 0.4 kg, and its volume v equals to 2 plus minus 0.2 meter cube. What is density with error? What is the density of cube with error? We have to find the density. It means we have to find the value of rho plus minus del rho is equals to what? So first, according to question, the given data is mass m is equals to 4 kg. Next data, volume. Volume v is equals to 2 meter cube. Next given data is error in mass. So error in mass is plus minus 0.4 kg. That is error in mass. So del m is equals to plus minus 0.4 kg. Next data, error in volume. So error in volume is 0.2 meter cube. That is 0.2 meter cube. So now we have to find the error in density. It means density with error, that is rho plus minus del rho. So now we solve this question. Density is equals to mass by volume. Density is equals to mass by volume is equals to m by v. It means m by v. So you can understand this question is indicate to about division of error. This question we can solve by use the formula of division of error, because this question is from division of error. Here meter q is there. So what is the division of error formula? First we find the density of q. So density of q is equals to m by v is equals to 4 by 2 and equals to 2 kg per meter cube. That is density of cube. Now, and it is rho. Now we will find the del rho. Now we have to find the del rho. So by division of error, one formula is there. By division of error, one formula is there. Del rho by rho is equals to del m by m plus del v by v. Del rho by rho is equals to del m by m plus del v by v. It is the formula for division of error. So from this formula we find the value of del rho. Now we put the value of rho. So del rho by 2 is equals to del m. Del m is equals to 0.4. Not a 4, 0.4. That is 0.4 kg. You can write the unit or leave it. So 0.4 divide m is equals to 4. So 4 plus 0. Del v is equals to 0.2. So 0.2 divide 2, or del rho is equals to 2 into 0.4 by 4 plus 0.2 by 2. Therefore del rho is equals to 2 into 0.1 plus 0.1. So value of del rho is equals to 2 into 0.2 is equals to 0.4. So that is del rho 0.4 kg per meter cube. Here we found the value of rho and del rho both. Therefore, density of Q with error. Density with error is equals to rho plus minus del rho is equals to rho is 2 kg per meter cube. So 2 plus minus and del rho is 0.4. So 2 plus minus 0.4 kg per meter cube. This is the density of cube with error. So density of cube with error, that is rho plus minus del rho is equals to 2 plus minus 0.4 kg per meter cube. And today's topic is over. Thanks for watching.